Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another awesome video, so let's get cracking. Friends, it is Cyber Monday. We're starting right here with the Tinkercad 50 States Sharing Challenge. If I hit tinker this. Friends, this is so darn cool. Check it out. We have had Clarksdale, Mississippi, shared by Trey. And right before that, we had Dickinson, North Dakota, shared by Tyler. And finally, right before that, we had Casper, Wyoming, shared by Todd. The only one we have remaining is Delaware. Friends, please take a moment, reach out, find somebody in Delaware. Let's see if we can get this wrapped up. Of course, more stars for every state are absolutely awesome. Here are the steps. It's crazy simple. On my website, HLModTech.com, is a Tinkercad tab. Down below it, Tinkercad Essentials is the 50 States Sharing Project. When you click that link, you can instantly hit copy and tinker. Of course, it makes my day if you take time to leave a reaction as well. When you do hit copy and tinker, the project is already set. You could follow the notes, but friends, check it out. It is this easy. Click on the state. Switch to your state, which of course I am begging for Delaware today. Of course, you can pick whatever awesome color you want for Delaware. If you hit F for fit view, you can zoom into it, find the little star, use the arrow keys to nudge it to where your city is. You can bring out the note and you can tell me the city. You could also make another note and leave other things that you want to share. I am totally flexible about that. And then finally, friends, right over here, look for this icon. It is the collaborate button. You can click on that link, generate a link, copy that link, and then reach out and share it with me. And then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If that's not available to you, don't forget you can also visit my website, HLModTech.com. You can click on the sweet built-in messaging tool and send me a message with that share link in almost no time. Friends, I do have a bonus way you can share it. You can also click back to your Tinkercad desktop. Simply click on the design properties. Friends, you can change the name to whatever you want. I also add a note that it's an entry for the project. You can give the link off the website, or you can simply give the bit.ly. As far as tags, this is the most important one. If you type HLMT23 and press enter, I search that tag almost every day, so that way I'll be able to find the project and of course add it to the list. Lastly, make it public and you can leave it, share alike, and save changes. As soon as you're done with that, friends, if you click the gallery, of course the first thing you'll see are staff picks. If you shut those off though, check it out. Bingo, I will be able to find 50 states Delaware just like that. Friends, while you're out here though, don't forget, if you see something you think is pretty cool, click on it and of course give it a reaction. Absolutely love this, giving it a wow. And as we scroll down, check it out. That's my weather today. Bingo. Of course, friends, as I wrap up, I do want to say thanks again to everybody that has participated. So cool to be this close to the end of an epic project. Friends, I want to take a moment to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I have got a page dedicated to Tinkercad. Tons of amazing categories for you to check out. Day one favorites, some useful starters, and then finally the Tinkercad Essentials. Finally, friends, down on the right there is the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, I do also want to mention the link to the Tinkercad Community Discord. As you can see, we have more than 700 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.